Upper 吧，我係阿詩。今日呢，我想 experiment 用2隻唔同嘅三文嚟煮魔鬼魚 stingray，you know what I mean？ sambal stingray。有時街市呢就買唔到 stingray 嘅，咁我就知道呢 Patrick 好大機會會有嘅。
So, good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are we doing today?
I am very, very good.
Well,
Eating some seafood for dinner. And
I see already some banana leaf.
yes.
Wow.
And you have the stingray I need.
Yeah, we have fresh stingray. Yes, yes. The north of the world, stingray, and the south of the world, skate. I think it's the same.
It's a fish. So you're from Northern Europe, right? So,
Yeah. He's from Holland, this one, yeah.
Yeah,
so,
because Northern Europeans no seafood.
yeah.
Just like Malaysians, we know seafood.
Yeah, you
Good,
like
good,
stingray, yeah? In combination with this one, so that's good.
Yeah,
That's
so
good.
I want to
No.
heal this in my sambal. Yes, please.
Here we go. There's
Yum.
something for you.
Oh, this is not going to be enough though. Is it enough for?
Yeah. You take them out.
What's that?
Yeah, that's from the skin.
Oh,
The
this
hard
is
piece on the
skin.
skin.
Ah,
Same as on
okay,
the turbo.
Yeah, maybe one more piece.
Maybe one more. That's a nice dog one.
Maybe the big one.
Oh, look here, beautiful.
Is it be too much? We're talking about for 3 people. Will it be too much?
I should be a really bad salesman when I say yes.
Yeah.
So it's never too much.
Is that too much, right?
Yeah?
Yeah. But when did the fish arrive?
Yesterday afternoon.
All the way from Netherlands.
All the way from Holland. Fresh from the airplane. Yeah.
Yes.
Very good.
And this will fit my banana leaf, right?
Cool.
Okay, wrap it around.
Now let's do that.
Yes, okay.
I wrap it for you.
唔蓋材料咋，好簡單。咁呢，首先就 stingray 你少少鹽醃下佢，熱咗呢，你就加少少油。呢個呢，就係我媽咪嘅 spicy 三包，咁我用呢個三包呢嚟配chili 板麵啊，或者福建炒麵啊，都好好食。有時我都攞嚟炒菜嘅。Click top right hand corner 嘅 link， 你就會知道點樣整我媽咪嘅三包噶啦。香蕉葉洗乾淨 ，cut it to fit the size of your fish，and then flip it over。煎一面先，咁呢個 method 呢，我就跟住 YouTube Meatman Channel 嘅，擺落去呢，就咁樣5分鐘中火，你睇到差唔多熟噶啦喎，其實。咁佢有啲汁嘅，你小心。咁剩翻啲sambal，而家 you just spread the rest of the sambal on top。咁呢啲頭先嗰啲汁啦流咗出嚟啦 ，just remove them because they are burnt。You don't want your fish to have that burnt smell, right? So heat up your pan again. 有少少油啦。Now another fresh piece of banana leaf. 好似頭先咁樣啦，要 flip it over。 對唔住啊，我廣東話唔得啊，唔知點講啊。So you put the lid back on. So 你冚個蓋啦，咁 another 3 minutes 中火。So total 8 minutes。頭先係5分鐘，而家3分鐘，係熟噶啦，就咁簡單。咁第二隻呢，我就用另外一個sambal，即係 Auntie Lin 嘅 nasi lemak sambal。好香啊！而家可以試味啦。咁 the first piece 呢，呢個係用住我媽咪嘅 spicy chili sambal 嘅。咁啊加咗少少 lime juice， so you can see the fish is nicely cooked, juicy and tender。And with my mom's sambal, yummy. The second piece, Auntie Lin's nasi lemak sambal。呢個 sambal 呢就酸啲，同埋甜啲。試下咧，睇邊一個 sambal 啱 sambal stingray recipe。好好味啊！你睇我食到，我覺得呢個 nasi lemak sambal 啱啲。The sourness, the spiciness, the sweetness really bring out the best of the seafood，真係好好味。